Hi everybody. In this lesson, I will talk about inheritance in Kotlin and how to inherit a class in Kotlin. Let's start with the previous lesson with the class person. The class person has some of the property: first name, last name, age, and the method or function is talk. And inside the engineer inherited from person, we override the first name or we change the first name, and we add new property named field of study, for example information technology mechanics. So firstly we have to define that this engineer class inherited from the person class with some constructor. The first constructor, first name, last name, age, and we have a new field of study. The field of study is a new property of engineer class. So this class will okay, why it cannot inherit it? The reason is that the person default person is final. Final means that you cannot inherit it, this class. So if you want to inherit this class, you must define it as open. Open means that can be inherited and can inherit any other class, can inherit from this open class. So we can initialize the subclass with input parameter here, and this is a constructor for the subclass, and you can print out to the screen by each line. Each separated line is a property, and remember this new property. So after running, you see that the new property is field of study mechanics. So he study mechanics. Okay. It is a way to extend or inherit a new property. And what about override the first name? Override means that you change the first name from the new class or from the subclass, and you must change it to open. It means the open property. The open property allow any other class can inherit or extend this. So we use the override val first name and call the super first name and change the first name to uppercase, means that the first name can be converted to cap lock. We make it cap lock and change to uppercase. So after running, you see that the first name is changed to uppercase. Now Alan is changed to uppercase after overriding the first name. So what about the talk? Now you want to override or change the method. You also make open function, and open function can allow other function in the subclass inherited. So you call override function talk, and super talk message means that you call the message or you call the function of the super class, and you add more in here by print I am an engineer, for example. So after calling, you can call engineer.talk. Engineer.talk now will call the function of the super class, and the I am an engineer is a message in the subclass. Okay. So this is and about inheritance.